Imagine waking up with skin that glows from within, free from fine lines, dullness, or scars, without invasive treatments. In this video, we explore the science behind regenerative treatments, including RF microneedling, PRP therapy, skin boosters, and carboxytherapy. Stay tuned until the end, where we reveal a key secret that makes all the difference in achieving real, lasting results. At Skin Renewal, we combine doctor-led care, cutting-edge technology, and a holistic approach to deliver personalized solutions that truly transform your skin. Just what you need right now. As we age, our skin gradually loses collagen, leading to sagging, fine lines, and an uneven texture. RF microneedling is a revolutionary treatment that combines microneedles with radiofrequency energy to deeply stimulate collagen production. Unlike traditional microneedling, which works on the surface, RF microneedling penetrates deeper into the skin, triggering a stronger healing response. The result is firmer, tighter skin with improved texture, fewer acne scars, and a youthful, radiant glow. But what if you could take this transformation even further? One of the most powerful combinations in regenerative skincare is microneedling paired with PRP therapy. Think of them as your skin's new best friends. Microneedling creates tiny channels in the skin, while PRP, also known as platelet-rich plasma, delivers concentrated growth factors that supercharge skin repair. When combined, these treatments enhance collagen and elastin production, smooth fine lines, and brighten dull, tired skin. The process doesn't just address surface concerns, it works at a cellular level to regenerate and renew. For those looking to amplify hydration and maintain their skin's natural radiance, skin boosters are a game changer. These advanced treatments replenish moisture, stimulate collagen, and revive dull, tired skin. They deeply hydrate, leaving the skin plump and refreshed, while also supporting long-term firmness. One of the best options available is Pure by Regenerative, a highly refined hyaluronic acid formula that integrates beautifully into the skin, delivering long-lasting hydration and visible improvements in texture. For even more targeted rejuvenation, carboxytherapy is an excellent option. This non-invasive treatment uses tiny injections of carbon dioxide to stimulate collagen production, tighten the skin, and improve circulation. It's highly effective for reducing dark under-eye circles, softening stretch marks, and improving overall skin elasticity. With zero downtime, it's a quick and effective way to restore a youthful, refreshed look without the need for surgery. Light-based therapies also play a key role in skin regeneration. LED and photodynamic therapy use specific wavelengths of light to trigger cellular renewal and boost collagen production. Red light therapy helps firm the skin and reduce fine lines, while blue light targets acne, causing bacteria and breakouts. Yellow light therapy reduces inflammation and speeds up healing. These gentle yet powerful treatments can be added to existing skincare routines to enhance results and support long-term skin health. Another breakthrough in regenerative skincare is transdermal delivery, which ensures that active ingredients reach the deeper layers of the skin. Unlike surface-level creams that only sit on top of the skin, transdermal mesotherapy infuses powerful ingredients like hyaluronic acid, peptides, and vitamins directly where they are needed most. This advanced technology deeply hydrates, repairs, and revitalizes the skin, making it the perfect add-on for those seeking a radiant, glowing complexion. At Skin Renewal, regenerative treatments go beyond quick fixes. Every treatment plan is carefully designed by a doctor-led team, ensuring precision, safety, and long-term results. By combining medical expertise with the latest advancements in aesthetics, Skin Renewal creates personalized treatment plans tailored to each individual's needs. Whether the goal is to boost collagen, tighten the skin, or restore hair growth, every approach is backed by science and designed for real, lasting transformation. And now, as promised, here's the key insight that makes all the difference in achieving real, lasting results. The secret to successful regenerative treatments isn't just the treatment itself, it's the combination and consistency of these therapies, tailored specifically to your skin's needs. RF microneedling alone can boost collagen, but when paired with PRP, the results are dramatically enhanced. Carboxytherapy can tighten and rejuvenate, but when combined with transdermal mesotherapy, hydration and skin renewal go even deeper. True transformation happens when treatments work together, creating long-term benefits that go beyond what any single procedure can achieve. At Skin Renewal, we don't just treat symptoms, we take a holistic, doctor-led approach to ensure that your skin and hair receive exactly what they need for maximum regeneration. Now that you know the secret, the next step is yours. Are you ready to unlock the power of regenerative treatments? Book your consultation today and start your journey to healthier, more radiant skin.